ornamentation.
That's a great idea too.
Love that.
Got a lot of good ideas here, including some really cool bottle brush trees. I love a bottle brush tree.
That light up.
I've not seen them light up before though.
No, look, there's not only little micro lights on the bottle brush trees which sparkle, but the eggs on the trees illuminate too. Guys, these are beyond fun. These are fabulous.
They are super fun.
They are delightfully whimsical. They are going to layer, as you can see, in with your little gingerbread village. There is a pink tree, a yellow tree, and a blue tree, and they are the eggs, the colors of the eggs. These are just fun.
The reflection from the glitter on the lights, I mean, just really helps to bring it to life. Yeah, it is just that perfect little frosting that's on it that really makes it look gorgeous. You do get all three of them for $42 or an easy payment of $8.50. So if you do want to bring that village to life, this is certainly the way in which you're going to be able to do it. And the color pattern that's here, you can put it next to anything that's springtime and it's going to match perfectly.
It will absolutely work. And I love that they sparkle because each of our gingerbread houses has a little very, very fine sugar sparkle to it as well, as you can see here on the roof of, oh, there we go. There, now you're seeing it, that little bit of sparkle. And so it all works together. It's as if they've been dusted in sugar.
That's exactly it.
It's that whole confectionery inspiration, which is, of course, what we're drawing from. But I love how, I always say, trees are our scene completer. So this completes your little, you wouldn't have a village without a few trees, right? So this softens it and brings it all together.
Can we take it away again and do one of those like little before and afters?
Absolutely.
Because let's just show you the village without the trees. Nice, but there's something missing.
Better.
It's that. And now it's great. And there you go. It really adds so much texture and so much depth. $8.40 to be able to bring that home.
All right, one more tree. Are you ready for one more tree?
Oh, I am, because this one is making